One thing that I've started doing in the last few months, and I think it really helps, is sometimes when you get that sort of crushing feeling of there's way too much to do, I just want to curl up into a ball and sit in a corner and cry, and then maybe I'll deal with it tomorrow. When you get to that stage, it really helps me to just write every single thing that's going on in your brain down on a sheet of paper, every task, every thought, everyone you have to call or text, or every email you have to send, just get it all down there. And once you see it on paper, it's never as much as you think it is. But when it's floating around, you can't pin it down, and you have this sort of stress building up in the back of your mind that you're going to miss a deadline or that you're not going to remember to call that person back. So it really helps if you have it all on paper. And then I look at it and I think, okay, what takes less than 3 minutes, less than 5 minutes? And I sort of order them in terms of what I can get done right now. And the person you've been meaning to write back to, or that call you're meant to take, it's usually bumps way up further up the list than you think. And but once it's done, it's a thing that you've ticked off your list. So that really helps. And prioritizing has been sort of a struggle for me for the last few years, but it has really helped with that. And I feel like it's a practice that if everyone did, we would all get along so much better.